everyone. So for this episode, story lang, backstory. I bought this item from Japan before, pre-pandemic. Tapos naisip ko install ko siya kasi, it's nice. It's na-realize ko, sabi ko, sayang naman kasi apakan ko lang. So, marami naman copies. So, true enough, we have copy A and copy B here. Papakita natin sila through the years, siguro different manufacturers siya. And then we'll also compare it with the original one. Okay? Alright. Sayang yung Integro, binabangga-bangga lang. Anyways, mamaya na. Going back, ito yung review natin today. It's the Mugen Pedals. So, this is copy A. Copy B pala. This copy B, kaka-purchase ko lang siya online sa Shopee. Ito dapat yung kakabit ko sa kotse ni Ken. So, I bought another one. And then, si copy A, this one here in the middle, I bought this at the same time when I got back sa Japan. Kasi sabi ko, parang gusto ko lang i-try din. Ano yung difference ng fake and original. Kasi I wanted to make a comparison video, which is, ito yung ginagawa natin ngayon. And then finally, so ito si copy A. Makita niyo yung mga difference niya. We'll compare it later on. Ito na yung original. Yan. So, I had to cover the price kasi baka may ma-offend ng mga resellers dyan. So, ito na yan. Kasing kita nyo kagad yung difference siya from the packaging itself eh. Na, of course, the printing, yung color nung yung type of plastic na ginamit. Parang itong si copy B, parang nakuha ko siya ganito na eh. Lasog-lasog na kagad eh. Tapos sa likod, ito siya. Ay shit, may price din siya. So ito yung original, sticker siya. Yeah, sticker. And then all the details are there. So it's a sports pedal, empty, manual transmission. Ayan siya. Okay. Ito na yung mga Ito si copy A. So sticker din siya kunwari. Sticker din siya, sports pedal manual. Downright, iba na yung sticker niya eh. Okay. And then ito si copy B. Ito na yung pinaka-recent na Shopee purchase natin. May website pa siya kunyari. Dude, ano to? Dash. Okay, sige. MTech. Sports pedal manual transmission. Okay, but the part code is surprisingly, same yung mga part code nila. 6545, tama. Tapos, X-Ray Golf 5, Kilo 2 Sierra Oscar. Hindi, 0 pala. Ay, tama. Same lahat ng part codes. Ang galing. Not bad. Okay. So, ayun. Ito sila. We'll open it one by one. Tapos, itong original, never ko pa siya binuksan. So, now's the time. Okay, so nag-usap kami ni Miguel. Unahin daw namin is itong original para makita daw yung difference na papakitang papakit. Which is actually parang goal natin. But it is what it is. So anyway, ito yung original. Mugen. Let's go. First time ko ito bubuksan. After years, nakatambak lang siya. Whew. Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, so first of all, downright, kita mo yung finish niya. Parang medyo, it's brushed finish, pero parang medyo may pagka na siya. Ito, naka-gloves na ako. Sorry. Yan. So, parang downright, kita mo yung finish niya. Parang semi-brushed, polished finish siya. I'm guessing it's around 2,000 grit siguro or 1,000 grit siguro yung finish niya. Medyo shiny, oh. Ayun, oh. Tapos, it's actually quite hefty. Ito yung adhesive niya sa likod. Yeah. And mind you guys, this is if I'm not mistaken, this is generation 3. Si Mugen had 3 generations of mga pedals niya before. I think the main difference is nandito sa branding niya na Mugen. If I'm not mistaken, yung generation 1 parang logo lang yata, tapos yung gen 2 parang iba yata yung outline niya. Tingnan niyo yung pattern nitong grip. Parang stainless steel na grip It's different. Tapos ito, sa likod, yan. So, the part code is there. Yun nga, Mugen 46545 X-Ray Golf Echo Romeo 0030. Tapos meron siya nakalagay made in Japan, ganyan. Tapos ito yung shape niya. Tapos ito. So, of course, yung double-sided tape. Okay? So, same siya with this is the brake pedal, this is the gas pedal. Same lang naman. Same shit, okay? And then, yung box niya itself, yung cushion niya, tanggalable to. I guess this is for the automatic transmission kasi mas mahaba siya, isa lang. And then, yung foam niya parang high quality, makapal. Okay? So, this is original. What comes in the box is ito. Ay, wow, ganda. So, individually packed. OC So, individually packed yung screws and bolts. So, may kasama siya nung Allen wrenches. Sa mounting screws. As ito yung for the pedal itself. Allen. And then, Allen din. And then, ito yung mga backplating para kumabit. Pero, ang ganda ng packaging, oh. As in, dude, can't go wrong with this. But of course, si manual niya. The manual. Can't go wrong with this one. Ito yung mga bagay sa kanya, mga fit. So, we're looking at, hala, saan yung EK? Hindi ko makita. DC, EP, EG, sorry. Civic, yan, EK. So, compatible siya for EG and EK, and then of course yung Type R. So, ito tayo. Yung Civic, yan. So, EG and EK have the same pedals, kaya interchangeable sila yung mga parts niyan. Okay, so EK, Type R, and then X. Hindi ko alam yung X. Type X. Civic Type X. Then, yun, pwede rin yata for fit. So, yeah, same pa. So same pala siya lahat. So, lahat na nandito, pati NXX, same lang. Integra, pwede rin. DC5, DC2. Oh, shit. Okay, second part is, of course, yung installation itself. And then, yung mo, will fall down kung ano yung kotse mo. Ito yung parts niya, parts list. Okay, parts list. Ito yung mga kasama niya, to cross-check, double-check. So, ito yung how to remove yung mga pedals, yung stock pedals na nakabit. This one is for the gas, accelerator pedal, throttle. Okay. Ito yung mga normal pedals. Okay. And then, ito yung sa pattern. Ano yung papasok sa pattern? Kung saan ipapasok yung yung for the accelerator or gas pedal or throttle pedal. So, we're looking at Civic. So, this is EG and EK. EK9. So, dito tayo. Sabi niya sa Bravo. Sa B. So, si B, ito yung susundan natin. Which means, ito. And then, the end one. So, ito si B. Ito yung susundan natin for the installation later on. And then, again, instructions. Additional instructions. Ito, kailangan daw mag-drill para mapasok. And blah, 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 blah. I think those for other cars. So, yun yung original. Okay? So, balik ko lang siya sandali. Okay, so, ito na yung copy A. I bought this the same time as this one. Tapos ito rin yung actually nakakabit ngayon sa EK. Sa SIR. Ay, shit, fake siya. Alam na ng lahat. Okay, so, right off the bat, kita mo yung padding niya. Different. Yung finish, hindi siya consistent eh. Tapos parang may clear coat. Yeah? Tapos sa likod, parang takpan niya to. Makapal din naman, but I guess yung shape niya is different. Okay, so, yeah, that's it. Ito yung bolt of screws niya. parang malaki ka na, kaya mo na yan. Bahala ka na. Kinakalawang na, oh. Okay, sige. Moving forward. Ito. So, ayan. I think this is copy from Gen 2 or Gen 1. Yan yung difference niya. Yung Mugen itself. Yung branding niya. The pad itself, yung grip, parang grip tape niya, medyo mas finer siya. Mas maliit. And then sa likod, ayun. So, may part code pa rin siya ulit. So, same pa rin. 46545 X-Ray Golf Echo Romeo 0020. Kanina 0030. So, iba na naman siya. Iba siyang molding. Okay. And then again, clear-coated siya. So, sagpak lang, clear coat. And then, I guess this is laser etched or something. Tapos, I'm hoping may instructions siya. Gagi, walang instructions. Wala siyang instructions. Wala! Teka. Gagi, wala siya. Wala siyang instructions. Ayop to ah. Ayun na nga. Exactly. So, binigyan tayo ng screws and bolts. Binigay niya sa atin to. It's parang... At least may manual na tayo sa original. Grabe. So, ayaw na bumalik. Ay, nako. Sheesh! I guess you really get what you pay for. Okay, so finally, ito si Copy 3. So, ito yung parang pinaka-recent na purchase natin. Local store from a Lazada. Shopee and Lazada shop. So, again, downright printed na lang siya. Wala nang sticker. Wala nang budget for that. Basta print mo na yan. That's it. Colors are different, definitely. So, ito na siya. Oh, manual. Cushion niya, medyo syempre iba rin. Ito na yata yung mga pang aircon eh. Gun. Anyway. Ito yung pedals. Sobrang iba. So again, Mugen, iba yung font. Right off the bat. And then yung ano niya, yung grip tape niya, sobrang iba. Tapos kita mo na yung glue. Oh, kita mo na yung glue, kita nyo. As in, parang heat gun, glue gun, tapos ito sa likod, ito, ayan siya. Well, actually, this one, inano ko na to, minod ko na to kasi ready na siya para ikabit. Pero I realized na wala siya ng part code, wala siyang kahit ano. Okay? This one's already modified to fit into yung pedal itself kasi later on kakabit natin. I-ready ko lang beforehand. Same with this one. So, yun siya. And then the pedal, this one actually, modded na rin siya kasi ready na nga siya ikabit. Originally, it was very, very flat. So, parang hindi mo siya mapasok sa hulma ng gas pedal itself. Yun yung napansin ko. So, the finish is also different. Wala siyang clear coating. As parang puro gas-gas na siya as it is. So, sa likod, yan na siya. Minark ko na siya. So, wala siyang kahit ano. Like the original one we saw earlier. Ayan. So, medyo makapal din. Again, yung curve, finollow ko na siya. Ganun din siya. Parang, iho, malaki ka na, bahala ka na. Kaya mo na yan. Bag of bolts and screws. But this time, meron siyang manual. At mas makapal ang printing niya. So, ganun ulit. Almost the same. Ayan, so yun siya. Same pa rin. Of course, parang Xerox copy lang naman to. Ano ba mahirap dun? Oh, tsaka ito. GD3 lang, oh. Oh, feeling ko mas luma pa to. Okay. Yeah. So, ibig sabihin, older version pa tong kinopy nila. So, baka parang, ano to, Gen 1 copy. Or Gen 2 copy. Di ko alam eh. Now, we're done with the, unboxing. Yung part per part na tayo. Blow by blow na tayo. Okay? Sige.